Focus was also on the transportation sector after CSX issued weak guidance, which you might remember we told you about last night. The stock fell 10%, its biggest one-day drop since 2008. And that has some wondering if this critical sector of the economy is warning of a freight recession. Frank Holland has that part of the story.
With unemployment near record lows, inflation a non-factor, and retail sales rising, all signs are pointing to a strong U.S. economy. The transportation sector, however, may be pointing to something else. Railroads and other logistic companies are the lifeblood of the economy, moving goods all across the country. The more they move, the stronger the economy. But that's not what's happening at one of the biggest railroad operators. The CEO of CSX warning business won't be as strong as expected for the rest of the year, leading to concerns of a potential freight recession, an indicator the U.S. economy as a whole is slowing down.
The present economic backdrop is one of the most puzzling I have experienced in my career. Many of our industrial customers' volumes continuing to show weakness with no concrete signs of these trends changing.
CSX isn't alone. Knight-Swift, the largest trucking company in the U.S., lowered its earnings guidance for the year, citing an overcapacity of trucks in the market. J.B. Hunt, the U.S. leader in container shipments by truck, said that business fell more than 7% in the first half of the year, and its non-paid loads, that's empty trucks, increased by 16% for the quarter. Tariffs and trade tensions have disrupted normal shipping flows and led to backups at ports and warehouses. August is typically when freight traffic ramps up as retailers import goods for holiday shopping. However, contract trucking rates are expected to fall through the rest of the year, possibly a sign of a broader slowdown. And tomorrow, Union Pacific reports earnings. It's a major rail operator at West Coast ports where imports from China are brought in. On Friday, Kansas City Southern, a major rail operator for trade from Mexico. We'll be watching closely for what these companies say about their business and the freight market as a whole. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Frank Holland.